Welcome back, guys. Guess what we're gonna do today? Barbecue. I got some spare ribs. We're gonna cook them low and slow on the smoker. Wait till you guys see this. It's gonna be great. I hope you all enjoy the video. Check this out. Got the fire going nicely. All right, everyone, I got these spare ribs here, full rack. I got 3 of them. I got one here where I'm going to show you how I prep them and get ready to go onto the smoker. So what I first do is I take this, flip it over. For some reason, this racks here already have the membrane taken off, so we don't have to worry about that. But what I do is I square it up here at the end, cut it off like so, save that piece, because that's gonna go on the cooker too. Little snack bites. Take some of this fat off. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna come over here to the brisket side. Over in the corner. I'm gonna cut this off. There it is right there. And we're gonna put that on there too, on the cooker, and we'll be able to munch on those as well. So here's basically your full trimmed rack that I like to do, the way I like to prep them. Looks pretty good. Nice rack of ribs, thick. These are gonna be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these up, show you what I put on them. So check it out. All right, now all I want to do for this cook is I want to put on Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, because I don't want to take too much away from the pork, and I want the taste of the hickory wood to come out. I sprinkle them up on here. Generous with it. Some people say it looks like you put a lot on there, but people would be surprised on how much falls off during the cook. Flip it over. Same thing on the other side. Simple and easy. Pat it down into the meat a little bit. Alright, let's check these bad boys after 2 hours of cooking. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looking nice. Low and slow, baby. I just went ahead and flipped them. And these bad boys are looking good. Oh yeah. The smell. This is after 3.5 hours of cooking. Looking good. Coming along very nicely. Nice color. Smells amazing. Here we go, everybody. They're done. They're complete. Now I'm going to cut them up. They're full off the bone. Beautiful. Very nice. Well, just got done with dinner. Those ribs were fantastic. About to bust into a beer. I don't know what I'm gonna choose, but it's definitely gonna be something high alcohol. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much.